Take your seats. It's our turn to do a show for you.
Ooh, I think we may have started something.
Once upon a time, one blob fell from the sky. I am one. This is fun.
Ooh, that's me.
Oh, a magic mirror. Hello, hello, I'm another one. 1,
2. I am 2. Pleased to meet. Hey, where'd they go?
It's both of us.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
And another 2.
Is 4. My 4 blobs can be the corners of a square. But that's not all. Oblong, kite, rhombus, parallelogram. Whee! They learn so fast. 4 and another 4 is 8.
Octoblobs, wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave. Whee!
No. They're not going in order. They're missing out some very important numbers.
No. You're not going in order. You're missing out some very important numbers. Like me.
Is that meant to be me? Where are my juggling balls?
We don't need to carry juggling balls. We are juggling balls. 1, 2, 3. Let's have everyone in order, please. Line up, numbers. Then we'll see who's missing. 1, 2, 3. So 2, you go here. I'm here. Then 4.
A number line. That's handy.
That's right. A place for everyone. You, Octoblobs, you're 4 more than 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces further on.
4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 8. Now to fill in the gaps. Numberblobs, assemble.
1, 2, 3.
4.
High 5. Halfway there. 6,
7, 8, 9.
10. Put your hands together.
Yeah!
And now the amazing balancing blobs. 1 equals 1.
2 equals 2. See how we balance.
3
And 2
equals 5.
see how we balance. Now see how we don't.
3 is less than
7. 8 is greater than 2. We're equal when we weigh the same.
I'd really like to try that game.
And now for our grand finale! Numberblobs present Triangle Numbers!
Triangle,
Triangle!
triangle,
Triangle! Triangle!
triangle, triangle, triangle.
How many blobs is that?
Lots!
What an amazing show with so many new ideas.
There's more, there's more. There's so much more to explore. Yeah!
I think we started something big.
Welcome to the Fun Times Fair. Is everyone here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 number blobs. Good. I've got lots of ride tokens. What would you like to...
The teacups! The teacups!
It looks like 4 to a cup. Look.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, how many ride tokens do you need? Look at it this way. how many cups are there?
1, 2, 3.
3 cups. And how many riders in each cup?
4.
So that's 3 lots of 4. 3 times 4, which is...
3 times 4 equals 12.
3 lots of 4 is 12 tokens. And off you go.
Watch us spin 3 lots of 4, 12 number blocks and not one more.
That was fun. So...
The big wheel! The big wheel!
Aha! Looks like 3 to a carriage this time. Turn.
3. 3. 3. 3.
Time for tokens. How many carriages?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many in each carriage?
3.
So, how many tokens do you need?
4 times 3 equals 12.
12 tokens. 4 lots of 3.
Around we go, 4 groups of 3, 12 number blocks all going wee!
Now, little ones, are you ready for the fastest, most thrilling, most...
The runaway train! The runaway train!
In pairs, please. Switch!
All aboard! 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Now, how many carriages are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And how many in each carriage?
2. 6 times 2 equals 12.
So you need 12 more. Oh, I'm all out of tokens.
Oh. Oh.
Roll up and have some fun. There's lots of tokens to be won.
Ooh. We need 12 tokens.
You'll win one for each can that falls, and there's
1, 2. 2 stacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cans in each stack. And 2 times 6 equals 12. Hooray! Here we go, 6 lots of 2, 12 number blocks. Play fort! Play fort!
Here it is, everybody!
Cuboid Castle construction kit.
Ooh, what's a cuboid?
Let's find out.
Oh!
They can't all be cuboids, can they?
They're all quite boxy.
Why don't they just call it Boxy Castle? Cuboid indeed.
I like cuboid. Sounds a bit like cube. Square, 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 square. Oh, I do like cubes.
This one has square faces too. Here and here. But the other faces are rectangles.
A square is a rectangle. Remember? A special one with all sides the same length.
Which means all these shapes have rectangular faces. Then that must be what a cuboid is. A solid shape made of 6 rectangles. Aha! Here are the instructions.
We can work it out together.
One step at a time. And the first step is some steps. We need 3 different cubes. One small, one medium, one big. Oh, here's one.
And another.
I've got this one.
Put the small cube on the left, the large cube on the right, and the medium cube in between them. Small cube on the left.
Large cube on the right.
And this goes in the middle.
Good, good, good. Now we need a really long, thin, flat cuboid.
Long, flat, and thin. Oh! Like this.
Perfect. Now, connect one end to the top of the large cube, so it slopes down to the right. Oh, it's a slide!
Hold on. We still have lots of cuboids to go.
So let's get building.
There, finished.
Wow.
There's one cuboid left. We must have missed something.
4! There you are! You forgot this! The Pyramids and Triangular Prisms expansion pack.
This must be a triangular prism, with a triangle at each end, joined up by rectangles.
Oh, I see. 2, put that prism down there. 1, 4, put the long cuboid on top so it balances in the middle. It's a seesaw.
We haven't finished yet.
Wait! Where are the Numberblobs?
Boxy Castle! Boxy Castle!
Hello, magic fans! 90 here to introduce your first magical guest. But who could it be? I know a trick that will let you find all of them. For the first magical 9, put down your first finger. How many fingers are still upright?
9! Yay!
Now that's magic! Who's our second magical 9? It's easy to find out. Just put down your second finger. How many fingers to the left of the one we put down?
1!
And how many to the right? 3 and 5, that makes 8 fingers. 1 finger on the left means 1 lot of 10. 8 fingers on the right means 8 ones. And 10 and 8 are 18.
That's me! 18! Hey! Want to see a vanishing trick? Now you see me!
Let's speed on to our third guest by putting down our third finger. 2 fingers on the left means 2 lots of 10. That's 20. On the right, 2 and 5, 7. And 20 and 7 is 27!
27 here. 3 square 9s.
3 by 3 by 3! Oh, super! Now, who's fourth in our magical family? 4th finger down. 3 fingers to the left means 3 tens, 30. And 6 fingers on the right makes 36.
I'm 36 and I'm full of tricks.
5th finger down for guest number 5. 4 fingers on the left, 4 tens. And 5 fingers on the right, that makes 45.
Ah, the magic of music.
And now for more tricks with guest number 6. 5 tens and 4, 54.
For grid games galore, call 54.
Ooh. Now can you tell me who our 7th guest will be? Say what you see. 6 tens and 3, 63.
I am 63, and I can make rainbow colours appear when I say the magic word.
Our next act is a double act, so let's welcome them both. 7 tens and 2,
72. 8 tens and 1, 81.
Super Sneezer 72 here, and I can make 8 square sneezers.
8 nines.
And I'm 81. I'm a square.
Made of squares. 9 nines.
Now watch closely. I'm a square. A 2. Over there.
Let's meet all the magical 9s one last time. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and
90! Yay! Numberblobs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
One number blob and me, counting everything we see, sharing a bun,
Sitting in the sun.
whistling a happy melody.
1 number blob.
And me, one bun,
1 sun. 1 number blob.
and me.
2 Numberblobs and me, counting everything we see, taking off our shoes,
Looking for the clues.
whistling a happy melody. 2 Numberblobs and me, 1, 2, 2 shoes,
1, 2, 2 clues.
2 Numberblobs and me.
3 number blobs and me, counting everything we see, hiding in the trees,
Buzzing with the bees.
whistling a happy melody.
3 number blobs.
And me, 1, 2, 3, 3 trees.
1, 2, 3, 3 bees. 3 number blobs.
And me,
4 Numberblobs and me, counting everything we see, opening the door,
Slurping through a straw.
whistling a happy melody. 4 Numberblobs and me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 doors.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straws.
4 Numberblobs and me.
5 number blobs and me, counting everything we see, gazing at the stars,
Parking all the cars.
whistling a happy melody.
5 number blobs.
And me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. 5 number blobs.
And me, 6 number blobs and me, counting everything we see, picking up a stick,
Showing off the trick.
6 number blobs and me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tricks. 6 number blobs.
And me,
7 Numberblocks and me, counting everything we see. Flying a kite, rainbow kite.
Turning on the lights, rainbow light.
7 Numberblocks and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kites.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lights.
7 Numberblocks and me.
8 Numberblobs and me, counting everything we see. Spinning all the plates off the block spin.
Lifting all the crates, Numberblobs lift.
8 Numberblobs and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plates.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 crates.
8 Numberblobs and me.
9 Numberblobs and me, counting everything we see. Swinging through the vines,
Ignoring all the signs.
9 Numberblobs and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 vines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 signs.
9 Numberblobs and me.
10 Numberblobs and me, counting everything we see. Writing with a pen.
Plucking like a hen. 10 Numberblobs
And me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hens. 10 Numberblobs.
And me. 10 coloured pens, 10 little hens.
9 swinging vines, 9 warning signs.
8 spinning plates, 8 heavy crates.
7 floating kites, 7 rainbow lights.
6 wooden sticks, 6 clever tricks.
5 shooting stars, 5 motor cars.
4 open doors, 4 bendy straws.
3 leafy trees, 3 woolly leaves. 2 dancing shoes, 2 vital clues.
1 sticky bun,
1 golden sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Come on, Numberblocks. Bedtime. A bed made for 10 with a nice sturdy frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of you on this side. And 1 more is
6.
2 more is
7.
3 more is
8.
4 more is
9.
and 5 is
10. 10 in the bed. Sing the song, please.
all right. A gentle countdown to send you to sleep. There were 10 in the bed, and the Numberblobs said,
Roll over, roll over.
so they all rolled over and 1 fell out.
Whoa!
Oh!
I'm fine. Keep singing.
Whew, okay then. There were how many left?
5 and 4 is 9.
There were 9 in the bed, and the Numberblobs said,
Let's all go for a ride instead.
what?
Boing, boing.
There were 9 in the bed, and the Numberblobs said,
Go faster, go faster.
so they all went faster and hit a bump. 2 flew out when it made them jump. How many left in the bed now?
5 on this side, 2 on this side. 5 and 2 is 7.
7! There were 7 in the bed, and the Numberblobs said,
We're sewing, we're sewing. Boing, boing, shove.
so 2 jumped out and they gave a shove, and the bed rolled back from up above.
Whee!
How many in the bed now?
That's easy. 1 full row is 5.
There were 5 in the bed, and the Numberblobs said,
We got up, we got up.
so 3 more blobs were introduced, and now it's time
For a turbo boost.
a turbo boost. This countdown has not gone how I expected at all.
5 and 3 is 8.
Well, if it's a rocket race you want, hold tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! There were 8 in the bed, and the Numberblob said,
We're flying, we're flying.
but the bed flipped over on the edge of space and 4 fell out.
We love this chase. 2 lots of 2 is 4.
There were 4 in the bed, and the Numberblob said,
Jump over, jump over.
so they all jumped over, and very soon 10 Numberblobs were...
Over the moon.
Look out! Asteroid straight ahead! Everybody, abandon bed!
There were 10 in the bed, 9 in the bed, 8, 7, 6, 5 in the bed. There were 4 in the bed, 3 in the bed, 2 then 1 then.
None in the bed! And with none in the bed, the rocket ship said, hold on tight to me instead. 10 was the bed, and the Numberblob said,
Good night, good night.
good night.
Boing, 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 boing. Oh, how much further? I'm getting peckish. Our perfect picnic spot is right there.
Picnic! Picnic!
Ah! Ugh.
These Numberblobs need a helping hand.
Let's see if we can move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and home! Oh, stone 1 sank. How do we get across now?
Maybe if... Ooh. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Huh?
Well. 2 blocks means I hop 2 stones at a time, like this. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and home! Oh, now stone 2 has gone as well.
Time for me. 3's the key. 3, 6, 9.
Tree!
How very rude. You only need to jump 1 more stone. 1 more, eh? There.
Hey!
And back again. 9, 6, 3. 1 Numberblob left. Easy peasy. Oh, I can't go back without stone 6.
Looks like it's my turn. 4, 8.
Wait! Huh? You only need to jump 2 stones.
Oh, yes. And I'm...
2 lots of 2. After you.
Picnic! Picnic!
Hang on. How are we supposed to get across with all those missing stones?
If we can get halfway, we can do it in just 2 jumps. And halfway is... There! Stone 5.
We need 5. Let's see. 3
Plus 2 equals...
5. High 5. 2 5s are 10. Oh,
Yay!
Hello? Oh, there's always one. Someone should go back.
Let's do it together.
Oh, lucky for you that I'm here. 10 minus 7 equals 3. And the 3 stone is still there.
A jump of 3 is just right for me. I've got this 4.
This is stone 3. If I jump 4 spaces that way, that's 3 plus 4, and that equals 7. And 7 is safe too. And then that leaves...
1 jump of 3 or 3 jumps of 1. Our turn.
4, 8.
We made it!
Woohoo! Picnic! Picnic! Yes, time for our pic... Oh.
Our picnic! Oh no!
If only we could leap across in one go. 1
Plus 2
plus 3
Plus 4
equals
10! Whee! It makes a change from rockets!
Now it's picnic time.
About time too. I've really hopped up an appetite.
Can you count to 20?
I can count to 20.
We can count to 20.
Let's all count to 20. I can count to 20, lighting up my blocks.
We can count to 20 like a bunch of bouncy rocks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can you count to 20, tapping on your nose?
We can count to 20 on our fingers and our toes.
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Who can count to 20? You can count to 20. We can count to 20. Let's all count to 20. Aha! We can count to 20 in a manner of your choice.
So count to 20 in a very silly voice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I tell you what I think would be quite a lot of fun. Why don't we count down from 20 to 1?
20,
19,
17,
16, 15,
14,
13,
12,
11,
10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2.
1.
When you see 10 chickens and they ask how many legs, and each chicken goes and lays exactly 2 brown eggs. And when the chicks all hatch and hang their coats up on their pegs, that's when you know it's time to count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Who can count to 20?
You can count to 20.
Who else can count to 20? We can count to 20. There's a 10 twos in our 10 pairs of shoes. We can count them all by counting up in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Ha ha!
When you're riding 5 horses and you think how many left. When you meet 4 starfish who say, please won't you count our legs? And when a 20-legged triangle gets down on its knees and begs.
legs.
That's when you know it's time to count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Thank you.
We've counted to 20 in 1s and in 2s. Guess who's next?
Hey, number friends, do you want to see some more? We can count to 20 in steps of 4. 4, 8,
12,
16.
20.
Is everybody ready
For a power dive, we can count to 20 in steps of 5.
5,
10, 15.
20.
Hey! Why can't I have a go? I can count to 20. Listen to me. I can count to 20 in steps of 3. A 3, 6,
9.
12,
15. 18.
Uh-oh.
21. 22. 20 may be plenty, but here's a bit of fun. If you can count to 20, you can count to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Can you count to 20?
I can count to 20.
We can count to 20.
Let's all count to 20. Let's all count to 21.
Oh, I'm so excited for our Christmas concert. I hope I get it right. On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree. What a funny thing to send.
Hey, one! Over here! I made a friend. Look, twins.
Come on, come on, come on. You don't want to be late. You mean you don't want to be late?
Tis the season to be square. Fa la 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 la.
There you are, little star. You'll soon be flying high.
Places, everyone. Backstage now. The audience will be here soon.
Octoblock, warm up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Warm up! And shake out. Ooh.
Oh, that is one big theatre.
Feeling nervous?
A little. There are such a lot of different gifts to remember. The 12 days of Christmas is easy. The numbers go up by 1 each time. You just need to count up to 12.
That's me. And I'll be backstage making sure the show runs like clockwork. You'll see.
Come on, team. The show is about to start. Get ready for kickoff.
No worries, Ron. You'll be fine.
Zero, what are you doing here?
Letting everyone in, of course. Can't have a show with no audience. 0, 0 doors. Sorry, the seat's taken. Whoops, okay. Shh, shh, it's starting.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree. One partridge in a pear tree.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 2 turtle doves. 1, 2, coo, coo.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
Is that meant to happen?
Ho, ho, ho! On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 3 French hens.
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree. Do you mind? This is my verse.
No, but
On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds.
what's happening?
3 French hens.
Too many gifts!
And a partridge in a pear tree. So much for 12 running things like clockwork. Maybe I should go in. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me everybody
5 gold rings. 4 calling birds. Rodents on the run.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me
Wait, stop, don't!
6 geese are laying. Here's where they're staying.
5 gold rings.
Fence!
4 calling birds.
Oh, 12 there's... Wow.
One, you're meant to be on stage.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
Oof. Oof.
Sorry. 7, come back. 12, something's going wrong.
What do you mean? Everything's running like clockwork. There goes train 6. Train 7 is on stage.
7 swans are swimming. Oh, lovely.
And here comes train 8.
Ready to load!
But look.
5 gold rings. 4 calling birds.
sending out the right number of gifts, I'm sure of it.
But too many are turning up. Just a few at first, but now... Go! And a partridge in a pear tree. Right, let's try and work this out.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 8 maids a milking.
Oh, there's room for 8 more gifts, but there are also 7 swans a swimming. 7 more swans.
Octoblock, catch! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, oopsie.
6 geese are laying.
And 6 more geese and...
5 gold rings.
12, 9, I know what's going wrong. It's... 1 second. And a partridge in a pear tree.
Oh, bother!
Stay here, one. I'll cover for you.
I worked it out. The song is right. The number of gifts is right. It's the tree that's wrong.
What do you mean?
Well, on the 9th day, you get 9 new gifts.
9 ladies dancing. Hope it's a square dance.
You also get another 8 maids and 7 swans and 6 geese and
5 gold rings.
and 4 calling birds and 3 hens and 2 doves and oh no! And a partridge in a pear tree. Phew!
That's a whole tree full of extra gifts every day.
A whole tree full? That's it! We don't need fewer gifts. We need more trees.
10 lords are leaping.
9 ladies dancing.
Does this song never end?
8 maids a milking.
So at the end of the day, it's a whole new tree. Exactly. I'll get a score on it.
6 geese are laying.
5 gold rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree. That's using your head too.
But where's one got to?
On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love said to me, 11 pipers piping, get in. Quick, give me a hand.
10 lords are leaping.
Would you look at that?
9 ladies dancing.
We got them all.
8 maids a milking.
Don't let go.
7 swans are swimming.
Steady now.
6 geese are laying.
5
gold rings.
4 calls for help.
3 flailing friends.
Too late now.
And a partridge fell off our tree.
That's the best 12 days of Christmas we've ever seen!
Thank you. You're very kind. And there is more if you want it.
Yes, there's still one more verse to sing.
Yay!
Just give us a moment to get ready so we can do it properly. On the first day of Christmas,
The 2nd day of Christmas.
the 3rd,
And the 4th.
and the 5th day of Christmas.
On the 6th and the 7th.
And the 8th. And the 9th.
On the 10th.
And 11th day of Christmas.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 drummers drumming,
11 pipers piping.
10 lords are leaping.
9 ladies dancing.
8 maids a milking.
7 swans are swimming. 6 geese are laying.
5 gold rings.
4 calling birds.
3 French hens.
2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
And 0 Christmas trees. There's nothing like a little Christmas magic. Merry Christmas, one and all!
Merry Christmas, everybody!
alive whenever I can drive my train. Only 5, no more, no less, can drive the Numberblocks Express. Woohoo! No one getting on the train. Let's be on our way again. Woohoo!
We have to get the train to stop, so hop, 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 hop on top. Only 5 can stop the train, so how do we make 5 again? Only 5, no more, no less, can stop the Numberblocks Express. Woohoo!
I think I know what must be done. Let's stop the train by adding 1. 1 plus 1
Equals 2.
2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1
Equals 4.
4 plus 1 equals 5. Only 5 can stop the train, and I am back to 5 again. 5 minus 1
Equals 4. 4
minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1
Equals 2. 2.
minus 1 equals 1.
Can you help us, pretty please? We need to get back on the way. Only 5 can stop the train, so how do we make 5 again?
Only 5, no more, no less, can stop the Numberblocks Express. Woohoo! We know what we have to do. Stop the train by adding 2.
1
Plus 2 equals 3.
3
Plus 2
equals 5. Only I can stop the train, so I am back to try again. 5
minus 2
equals 3. 3
minus 2.
equals 1.
Ouch! Ow! Come on, twos. Time to act like kangaroos. Hop, 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 hop. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Minus 2 equals 2.
Only 5 can stop the train, so how do we make 5 again?
Okay, friends, leave this to me. I'll stop the train by adding 3.
Hop, hop, hop on top.
1 plus 3 equals
4. What does that mean? I'm not quite sure. I don't think I've seen that before.
minus 3 equals 1. Hey!
2 plus 3 equals
5. Only I can stop the train, and I am back to 5. Minus 3
equals 2.
Hey!
Only 5 can stop the train, so how do we make 5 again?
I am square. Hear me roar. Let's stop the train by adding 4.
1
plus 4
equals 5. Only I can stop the train, so here I am to try again. Only 5, no more, no less, can stop the Numberblocks Express. Woohoo! Minus 4 equals 1.
Only 5 can stop the train, so how do we make 5 again?
1,
2.
3, 4, 5. Only 5 can stop the train, so here I am to try again. Uh-oh, no, we're in a mess. Stop the Numberblocks Express. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five! Success! I stopped the Numberblocks Express! Woohoo! Yeah! I'm on my way to Numberblock Fair. I've got a map to get me there. I'll use it to find the way to go, but it's blank! Oh no, oh no!
Sounds like you've got a problem, One.
Yes, Two, a big problem. I'm on my way to Numberblock Fair. I had a map to get me there, but something has gone very wrong. The map I thought I had is gone.
Then it's a good job I'm here. I know the way to Numberblock Fair. Listen to me and I'll get you there. Go over the bridge, turn left at the track. Then we'll cross the duck that goes quackity-quack.
Left.
Correct! That's the way to go. Left is this way.
I'll hold this lovely leaf in my left hand to remember. Thanks, Two. I'm on my way to Numberblock Fair. I've got a map to get me there. Over or under the bridge, I forget. Over, of course, I don't want to get wet. Left at the track was the way to go. Which way is left? Oh, yes, I know. I'm on my way to Numberblock Fair. In no time at all, I'll be there. Going somewhere, One? Yes. I'm on my way to Numberblock Fair. I've got a map to get me there. I went over a bridge and left at the track. Past the duck that went quackity-quack. Two said left was the way to go. Left is this way, don't you know? That's got you here. What now? I'm not sure. Well, I am. I know the way to Numberblock Fair. Listen to me and I'll get you there. Go through this gate and between the trees. Follow my directions, please. Behind a bush, you'll find a lane. Turn right, not left. I'll explain. Right is this way, do you see? Be sure you got it. Copy me. Lovely leaf is left. Red ribbon is right. I won't forget. I'll hold them tight. It's through the gate to Numberblock Fair. Thanks to 3, I'll soon be there. Around the trees, that'll take too long. What did 3 say in her song? Over, under, between. Between the trees, there I'll find the bush I need to look behind. Here's the lane I was looking for. But which way is right? Lovely leaf left, red ribbon right. This way, I'm sure. La 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 la. Down the lane, but nowhere to go. Where's the fair? Does anyone know?
One! Over here!
You made it!
How did you get here?
It was easy. I just went over the bridge and left at the track. Past the duck that went quackity-quack. Through the gate and between some trees. You should have felt the lovely breeze. Behind the bush, right along the lane. Then I thought I was lost again. But I saw you both waiting there at the gate of Numberblock Fair. Hang on. How did you both get here before me?
We took the shortcut.
Your route may have been quicker, but mine was much more fun. Come on! We're on our way to Numberblock Fair. Hurry up! I'll race you there!
Stop number 20. The end of the line.
We've never been past stop 20 before. I wonder what's out there.
Only one way to find out. Let's explore.
Whoa!
20
Plus 1
equals 21. I'm 21. I'm 20.
and 1.
You're 21. Oh, you've got 2 faces. Sometimes it's easier to think of bigger numbers as 2 numbers together.
21. 20 and 1. Oh, I see.
I wonder who else I can be. That's me, 21. I'm
2 10s and 1 1. Oh.
2 blocks wide leaves an odd block on top. I'm an odd number. And if I do this, I can be 7 3s. Which means I'm also
3 sevens! Look, a treasure chest full of ice creams on that rock.
How lucky is that?
Triple lucky!
Hey, wait! I'm a step shape. That means I can be a step squad. Ready for action! Wow! We found out so much about you, 21. And I found out that I love finding things out. I figured myself out.
I am 21, and I'm a number explorer.
Wow!
The question is, what comes next? There's always more to explore. We'll need a magic mirror. Oh, there's one.
Triple lucky!
Hello, me. Ready to and go.
20 plus 2 equals 22. I'm 22. I'm 20 and 2.
Excellent. Let's find out what you can do. You're 22 blocks, which is 2 10s and 2 blocks more. Let's try the 2 on top. Ah, you're an even number, which means you're a double. Try splitting down the middle.
I'm double 11. I figured myself out.
I am 22, and I'm 2 football teams.
Happy to play home and away.
Great game. Nicely played. That was fun. Now let's find out what's next. 21, 22.
It's my turn. Me.
20
Plus 3
equals 23. I'm 23. I'm 20
and 3.
Now let's figure out who you are.
I told you I'm 23. And I'm happy being me.
But I want to explore more now.
Well, I have got a bus back there. All aboard and off we go!
Hooray! Let's see what's out there.